Hello everyone, my name is Plushes, and I'll be telling you guys how to get Oculus Quest 2 footage to your PC or laptop. Now the first way is through Google Drive. So I'll open up my browser here. Alright, now that I'm here, I can look up Drive. Normally you would sign in, but I've done this before. Let's try it before, so I think it'll automatically sign me in. Might take a while. Alright then, so now you can just choose some footage that you want to upload, alright? And then just upload Google Drive, then you can go to your PC, then download it from there. Very easy strategy. I've done this before. Alright, the second way is for YouTube. So you can go to YouTube here, go to upload, and then I can drag and drop. Sometimes it might take a while. You might have to do it a couple times, spam click it. I don't know, it has to do something with your Wi-Fi. Say I want to upload this Gorilla Tag footage. Alright, I do this, select, and you can do test. And you can upload it very easy, If you want to share some footage to your friend, you can go to a YouTube to MP4 website. I can put it down in the description. And your friend can download through that, if they want to have I don't know, your footage, different point of views, whatever you want, What you need next is a computer and a cable that can connect your Oculus Quest 2 to your computer. Alright, well first you need to go to your files, and then you'll see an Oculus Quest 2 little thingy here. If you connect your Oculus Quest 2 to your PC using a cable and only a cable. Go here, go internal shared storage. Then, where did it go? You go Oculus, go video shots, and then you can see all your footage here. Alright, let's just open up downloads again. I can right click that, blah blah blah. This is the method I use the most. I really use it a lot. It's just more convenient to me. Since, oh, I forgot this footage, I can put this here, here, here. Since on Google Drive, it may take a while to load as well with YouTube. So this is just the fastest way for me. So you just take this and just drag it over to downloads. Takes a little while. This is the video I just took. And there we go. If I'm correct, there we go. Here's all my footage that I just took. And that's all you really need. Hope you guys have a nice day and hope this helped.
Ever since the day that you